Alright guys, I got the bees installed. Can't really see a whole lot, but I can zoom y'all in here. Set y'all up. You see them flying over there. One hive is stronger than the other. Not sure if it's got a queen in it or not. I didn't find any eggs, and I couldn't find her. The other one that seems to be doing better, I didn't find the queen in that one either, but I did find brand new eggs, so maybe my queen radar is off today, I don't know. But anyway, I'll kind of keep an eye on it over the next week. I've already contacted my seller to let him know that I wasn't sure if the queen made it, and so anyway, we're going to play it by ear, and if the queen is not there and I don't find any eggs over the next week, he's going to ship me a new queen, and that'll get me going. There's also a fair few less bees in that left-hand hive, so not sure what we're going to do there, but anyway, I like these carniolan bees. They're not aggressive, and that's kind of what I prefer. I don't really like aggressive bees. I've had, the Italians that I had a couple of years ago. They weren't very happy with you messing with their hive. The carniolans kind of buzz around you and say, "Hey, what you doing?" But those Italians were like, "No, get away, get away. They're sitting yours. Go, get." And man, they come at you and So anyway, y'all have a good one. I'm gonna ride around here in the old Jeep. I'll see y'all later. Taking out blueberries. Coming back nicely. Good planting. Alright, y'all. See you later.